Imagine yourself in this Mazda 2016 CX-5 Touring. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, Bose moonroof package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Bose 9-speaker audio sound system, CD player, radio data system, radio, AM/FM CD/HD modular audio system with 6 SPKRS and air conditioning. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.